Hello guys, welcome to my Raphael's cooking day. So today I'm going to cook the chicken nuggets recipe. So this one here, so today I'm gonna record live here. So this one we're going for the edit as on Filmora 11 today. So this one here for this one for the Filmora. So this one for the here for the recording live. So this one like GTV 27 here. So this one here is going for the live videos here about Raphael's cooking day, and we're going to upload it on September 18 at 11 p.m. So this one here is going for the this one will be here will be ingredients will be start at 1 minute and 5 seconds. So this one here is going for the recording here. So in this one for the recording live, but this one for the recording here for the chicken nuggets here for this one for our video we're going with something else. So here are the ingredients in here. You have ground chicken, crispy fry, 2 eggs, flour, and magic syrup. So this one here is going for the this one for the live videos. We'll be starting on 1 minute and 30 seconds here. But this one for the recording live. So this one, since we're going for this one for the recording live. So let's get started for the video. So, this one here, lagyan na natin ng ground chicken. But actually, for this one here, for the nuggets here, but they have here for the, so put this one here in the into shape in the bowl here, and the chicken nuggets here. Okay. Okay, so this one for the chicken nuggets here. So I'm gonna here for the snap with the fingers, and then we'll put the nuggets in here. Alright, so this one here for the 21 piece of chicken nuggets here. Let's put in the fridge about 30 minutes here. I'm gonna pause the recording live because I'm gonna refrigerate about 30 minutes. Follow me to our kitchen for this one and refrigerate it. Alright, so this one here for the refrigerator. Okay, so this one here for the here. So let's put chicken nuggets, the 21 piece of chicken nuggets here. So this one I'm gonna put this on freezer. Okay, got this one here, the freezer here. So this one tandaan nito ha. So gonna freeze here. Okay, so this one here, your 30 minutes here. Your 30 minutes starts now. Guys, this one here, I'm gonna lower down your brightness here. Okay, so we have 29 minutes here. Time check is 7:05. It will be ends at 7:35. So this one here is going for the refrigerate it. So see you later about 30 minutes. See you later at 7:35. So guys, after 30 minutes here, so this one here, chicken nuggets is here for the roast down here. So this one here for the 21 piece of chicken nuggets here. So this one here for the here chicken nuggets here. So follow me to go back to our kitchen here. So this one here for the cooking here. So this one for the cooking here. Okay. Here for this one for the crispy fry, flour, and egg. Flour first. So this one here. So lagyan na natin ng flour. Okay. Just big, don't too much. Don't too much here. Don't too much. Okay. Don't put too much. Alright. Flour. Next. So this one here, lagyan na natin ng eggs. So whisk it all up. I'll get the fork. So this one here for the eggs here. So lagyan na natin ng magic syrup. Okay, put the magic syrup on top. Egg mixture. This one here. So lagyan na natin ng crispy fry party pack. I'm gonna cut some scissors on top here. Titikman na natin to para siya It's delicious. Okay guys, so this one here, we'll go to the nuggets here on top here. Put some flour on top here. Put some egg here. And crispy fry. Okay, so this one here for the cooking as well here. So ibadagdag na natin ng yung 21. Alright, so this one we have 21 nuggets here. So let's go for the fryer. Okay, so this one here for the chicken nuggets here. Just wait for 1 minute in total here for each other. For this chicken nuggets here. After 1 minute in total here, put some nuggets on here. Okay, so the chicken nuggets here for the cooked frying here. So, ilagay na here. Ilagay sa paper towel mamaya. Second batch here for the chicken nuggets. Whoa. Guys, here for the chicken nuggets here. So, for this one, you have 6 nuggets to go. So, the first one is the chicken nuggets here. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Wait for Ate Elma. Fifth one. And sixth one. Wait for the cooking. Okay, so the flipper over, this one for the chicken nuggets here. So this one for the chicken nuggets recipe. Show you on YouTube here. And this one for the chicken nuggets recipe. All of this is going for the chicken nuggets here. Okay guys, so this one nuggets is done here. So this one for the chicken nuggets here. We have 21 chicken nuggets here. 21 chicken nuggets for this one for the cooking here is going for this one. Available here for this one for the fast food chainers. And there you have it, they have chicken nuggets here. So that's it for our video here. So 98 days na lang. So Christmas na. So this one here for the chicken nuggets here. Next is you have margarita pizza. So nakita tayo sa susunod na linggo. 6:50 na po. So don't be late na po. So this one you have to subscribe to my Free Wi-Fi channel 11. Facebook page Free Wi-Fi channel 11. Messenger Free Wi-Fi channel 11. TikTok at Free Wi-Fi channel 11. Chat with the Google Chat Free Wi-Fi channel 11. Google Meet Free Wi-Fi channel 11. Your YouTube Shorts is Free Wi-Fi Shorts here. My post on Facebook is Free Wi-Fi channel 11. And my story is Free Wi-Fi channel 11. So you can add your story about 24 hours. So this one here for the 24 hours. Thanks for recording live for this one for the sun here. Kita tayo next week. So this one for the live here. So I hope you enjoy your cooking. So see you next week. Bye.